Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and on this Saturday, on the 5th of July, I would like to take a look at the GBP and pound US dollar, as the pair, from my point of view, looks as bullish can be. And I would say it is forming a triangle. Now it depends very much what kind of a triangle, but from my point of view it is a bullish one. And based on the closing on Friday, it can only move higher from this moment on. It is being helped also by the fact that the market is forming or is selling aggressively the euro and the GBP and pound. However, there is not a reason for let's say underestimate the patterns that the GBP and pound US dollar is making. Now we had before looking at the technicals, I would like to talk a bit about fundamentals on the GBP and pound US dollar, in the sense that we had Mr. Carney, the governor of Bank of England, saying all these confusing statements regarding the interest rate increase or hike that the Bank of England probably is going to do this year, later in the second half of the year. Some signals are positive, and then he comes and takes away some words, so the market is a bit confused. However, this translates into a pattern that is being called a contracting triangle, even though this is a 1 hour chart, but you will see how things actually look on the bigger pictures. The whole pattern looks like this, so to be A and then a B wave to the upside like this, then a C, then a D, then an E, and this would be a triangle. Now the problem with this triangle that starts, I would say, from this moment of time. So from this moment of time the triangle starts. The problem with this triangle that starts from here is that the wave, or the B wave actually here, so this to be A, B, C, D and E, and then to move high. So the B wave here is bigger, or let's say exceeds the highs in the previous wave A. In this case, this is being called an irregular triangle, an irregular variation of a contracting triangle, and should have the measure move something like this. By the time that the triangle is completed, and I would say that the triangle has all the chances in the world to be completed around here, and this should be the target, something like 172. Now, of course, when you trade binary options, you frankly, I don't care if the market is moving 100 pips in my favor, or only a couple of pips, or only a couple of tens of pips. It doesn't really matter. From this point of view, what we should look here is for the potential B2D trend line here to be broken, which is not yet broken. So this is something that we should be interested in watching next Monday at the opening, and of course for this trend line to hold as well. And by the time that this one is broken, basically the gates for the 172 level are going to be open. What I would do here is to go and buy call options with end of day expiration date. So we don't know when this trend line is going to be broken, but when it's going to be broken, on Monday or on Tuesday or on Wednesday or whatever, we would like to buy call options with end of day expiration date. If it breaks on Thursday, we will buy them with end of day on Thursday. If it breaks on I don't know, Monday or Tuesday or whatever, we should go still with end of day. Now let's try to label this triangle here, as this would be wave A. Let's make it of a different color. And then the B wave, and then the C wave, A, B, C, D, and all eyes now if the E wave here is done. A, B, C, D, E, and then pop higher. How about the triangle to be an irregular variation or a running variation of a contract? It might very well be that the triangle or our triangle here to start from this moment of time, and this to be something like A, B, C, D, E, and then pop higher. The scenario in this case would be even more bullisher than this one, and this is the triangle that we said at the beginning that the market is doing. Keep in mind, this is still only the 1 hour chart or the hourly chart if you want. So this would be in the theory, this is in reality. The B2D trend line, when it's broken, we're buying call options. So let's write here on the screen that we're looking to buy call options with end of day expiration date by the time the B2D trend line is broken, of course. We need to be disciplined here. Binary options is not a game, because I hate these kind of words. Binary options is or trading binary options requires discipline. Trading in general requires discipline, so we should wait until it comes to us. Thank you very much for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com. Make sure you go and check our Binary Options Academy project over the internet. On the website, we have there a lot of fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. And keep in mind, this is just a recommendation. However, Great Britain Pound US dollar looks quite bullish. Thank you and bye-bye.